Yan po pala ang salarin. Kaya pala, tuwing tingin ko ng unan, wala na sa pwesto. Yan pala ang salarin na yan. Who are you? Speak! Who are you? Are you Matilda? Speak! Are you Matilda? Speak! Your name is Matilda? Your name is Matilda? Speak! Your name is Matilda? Speak! What are you doing there? Your name is Matilda? Speak! Your name is Tatiana? Speak! How about you? What's your name? What's your name? Ikaw ang salarin pala, ha? Ikaw yung salarin, ha? Takbo-takbo ka, ha? Salarin ka, ha?